can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You tell me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. And I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms,
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suzette. Sana po hindi magbabago ang lahat ng takbo ng buhay mo. Lalong yumayabong, kagaya ng asin mo, na maraming anak, yun sana ang sundin mo na branches mo. Happy birthday, Ma'am Suzette. Hello, Ma'am. Good morning. May you have many more birthdays to come, Ma'am. And I wish you have more SGA branches in the Philippines.
Yan. O, siya. Hello ma'am, good morning. Binabati po kayo ng inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday. Sana dadami pa ang ating SGA branch. Muli ma'am, binabati kita sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. And happy advance Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suzette. More blessings to come. And good health.
More branches to come, more birthdays to come from
Cagayan State, Cagayan de Oro, Agent. We love you, Ma'am Suzette.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suzette. More birthdays to come and more branches of SGA. We love you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang sakit sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Marinaway kapalaran ng buong may kapal. Nabigyan ka pa niya ng maraming kaarawan. Iligaya ka sa buong buhay. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bakit sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bakit sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, boss. Wishing you a wonderful birthday, boss. Your dedication and compassion make our team stronger. We appreciate everything you do, boss. Salamat po sa pagbukas ng pintuan ng iyong tahanan para sa amin, boss. At lubusan po kaming nagpapasalamat na naging bahagi ng inyong SGA family po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suzette!
Hi, Mom! Happy birthday po! May the year ahead bring you continued success and to SGA. More clients, good health, and prosperity. May your special day be as wonderful as you are. We love you from SGA Pagadian!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To our amazing, loving, and caring boss, Mom Suzette, thank you for being our guiding light. May your special day be filled with joy, blessings, and love you truly deserve. From SGA Cagayan de Oro, we love you.
Happy birthday, Mom Suzette! More blessings, more birthdays to come. We love you.
When you're in my
Ligaya ka sa buong buhay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kanta pa ta balik. Dili na.
Ikaw, ang
Ayan na kayo. Dili po, sige. Hindi naman tayo kanta ko muna. Okay naman to.
okay lang.
Okay lang lagi to. Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset. More blessing to come and good health from Cagayan de Oro branch.
Last na to.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset.
More blessings to come.
More good health.
More branches to come. More birthdays to come.
We love you,
Ma'am
Ma'am
Suset.
Suset. From Cagayan de Oro, Cagayan.
Go.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset.
More blessings to come.
And good health.
More branches to come. More birthdays to come. From
We are
love you from
We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset.
More blessings to come.
And good health.
more branches to come. More birthdays to come.
We love you.
From
SGA branch.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset.
More blessings to
And
come.
good health.
more branches to come. More birthdays to come. From
SGA, Cagayan de Oro
branch.
branch.
We love you.
Agents.
Agents and Only
Happy birthday, Ma'am Suset.
Ano ba yan? Oh, nakain na nga yun eh. Ayun na nga yun eh. Oh, yung